Okay, so let me start today's topic. And today's topic is students, that is the method definitions and how you will write the methods and what are the method body. So basically, students, methods are defined inside the class immediately after the method member variable. Immediately after the member variables, the syntax of method definition is like this. So let me write the syntax again. This is access modifiers, then return type, then method name, then after that parameter list, then after that there will be curly braces, then here after that the method body will be there, termination and curly braces will be closed. So let me write one function. Suppose I'm writing a function and that function is having the access modifier public and it is returning this is a keyword, so this is in small letter, the public, and it is do not returning anything, so I'm writing here void method name. Suppose I'm writing here add and no parameter, so I'm not passing any values to it. And then after that I need to write the logic for adding two numbers, so I'm writing here int a equal to b plus c, and this is closed, and here b equal to 23 and c equal to 21. This is small v and these all are of type int. Is it clear to you? So students, this is access the things which are written in this bracket, this big bracket, and these are optional. That means for method it's not compulsory to write over here. So access modifiers, we will discuss in the next classes. There are four types of access modifiers: public, protected, wide, and default. Okay, so these are optionals. Next one is return type. So that means what a method, what things a method is returning. That means is it returning integer, is it returning float, or it is not returning anything. So why I'm written here void means it is nothing returning. So I will tell you in this chapter what is the returning meaning, what is the non-returning meaning. Don't worry. Next one is method name. So method name, students, I already discussed the naming convention of writing a method name. I already discussed to you the naming convention of writing the method name, and I said to you the method name, writing a method name, the same name convention is with the variable. The differences is only there are this bracket, this is small bracket, okay, square bracket, this bracket, this one, and inside this there are written parameter list. So this is also optional because this is written in the big bracket. After that curly braces started and method body started, then this is started. So in this one I written this is modifiers, this is return type, this is method name, and this is bracket. After that here is method body. So these all are called method body, and in the method body you will write the logic, you will write the code, the work which you want to do. So these are called method body. In curly braces opening and curly braces, these all are called method body. So I think you, I'm second time explaining this, so I think you people are just very familiar with the syntax of the methods. So I'm just starting from user defined methods because you are writing the methods. So students, you are not knowing this one access modifiers, you are not knowing parameter list, and except of these two everything you know. Okay, return time. I think return time, if I consider a return time, then it is also you don't know. But in this chapter, everything you will know. Don't worry. Let me move one by one step, then you know. Write the program, open the BlueZ. So suppose student, suppose what I said to you, just think what I said. I said the method definition will be after the immediate after the member variables. The method are defined inside the class, this is inside the class, immediate after the member variable. Suppose if I have decided any variable like this, int a equal to 12, b equal to 23, then after this variable my method definition will be here. So can you understand what I'm saying? Can you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
These are the member variables. To which member variable? This is the class member variable. Which are class member variable. Clear? Because this is written inside the class. So after
But your
that,
voice is not clear.
my voice is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I send the videos regularly, but you people do not watch it. It's I cannot go to your home and uh, sit with you and explain the
No,
each
sir,
and
I'm not saying to come to my home and sit.
okay, then what you're saying? Who are you?
It's my program which I have created.
No, who are you? Name, please.
Ritik.
Ritik. Actually, I said to you that I send the videos regularly. So if you face any voice-related problem in
Yeah,
net,
sir. When
so my video
I
is
have seen your almost every video, but
fine. So that video is useful or not?
yes, sir, useful. It's clearing the concept.
Very nice. So students, just watch here the concept and the videos which I send. In that videos, the voice will be very nice. Okay. What can I do
Yes, sir.
if the network is not good? Ritik, you can
Yes, sir.
understand. You are
Yes, sir.
you are not a small child. You can understand network problem is not in our hand.
Yes, sir.
So I'm writing the methods. So I'm writing here public. This is not returning. So students, if I want to add this number, then what I can do? What I can do if I want to add two numbers, I can write. This is also a method. You know, this is method main. Main is a method. Do you know? This main is also a method, but this is made by the Java developer, and this tells that our program will start from here. Okay, is it okay? Are you listening me? Are you listening me?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
our program is started from this main method. Okay, so if I want to add the two numbers, then I can directly write here system dot out dot println, and I will write here a plus b, and I write here int a equal to 10, 12, 13, anything, b equal to 12. So my work will be completed. Is it clear? But student, I want to write these additions with our method. That means I want to make my method and I want to do this addition with my method. So how I can do? Just write here the variables int a equal to 12, b equal to 13, and I will write public void add bracket curly braces. That was the syntax or not? The same syntax I explained to you or not, students? Please tell me. Int c The same syntax I said. System.out. You just print pri and println. pri and println. So system.out.println, I want to print this C. So basically the values of A is 12, B is 13, and it is taken over here. So 12 plus 13 goes to C. That means addition is goes to C, and this C will be printed like this. But student, you know that your program. But students, you know that your program is started from the main method. So if you going to complete, who is this? Who is this? Alok Yadav.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are out from the school group.
Yes.
Why?
Sir, I think this group is made by Vikas Jaiswal. That's why I speak some other
No.
language. That
So do you have authorization to join this this class? Are you joining to each and every class?
yes, sir.
Okay, I will talk to father. So
Okay.
so this one int c equal to a plus b system.out.println, and you are printing it C. So as I discussed with you that the variables, the methods, these are the part of the objects. Suppose just think about very basic class of my. I was explaining, if you are making a class animal, and you are making the object like dog, like elephant, like cow. So the cow are having their legs, their head, their here. So these are the properties of the cow. So that properties are called here variables. So if I talk about these variables, so these are the properties, these are the properties of the object. And I said to you, a cow can eat, a cow can walk, a cow can dance, anything it can do. That are the actions of the cow. So that actions are called here method. So you know that these are the part of the objects. Can you understand this? These are the part of the objects. And I also made one videos. In that video I explained to you how you can call to the variables, how you can call to the methods, because they are the part of the objects. Have you seen my videos to where I made this concept? I need answer immediate. Have you seen the video? Can anybody tell?
No.
Why you haven't seen? I explained the concept, how you can call to your, that means the variables, the methods. I explained in that. Because Brijesh, have you seen you? Because you said you watch almost all the videos. Brijesh, have you seen? Have you seen the videos, Brijesh? Please tell me. This thing disappoint me. This thing disappoint me. If you do not give the answer, you do not watch. Anybody have seen that video? Just tell me so that I can move ahead. Anybody have seen that video to which I am talking? Anybody please reply. Please, humble request. Anybody have seen?
No.
No. Saying no is very easy. Ritik, have you seen?
Which one, sir?
To which I explained how you make the object and how you call the member variables and the methods.
Yesterday videos.
Not yesterday, the day before yesterday, I think.
No, sir, I didn't have mobile phone,
Okay.
and I have also not joined.
Have you seen? Are you seeing the? That means. Wait. Wait. I'm talking about this video. Methods, arithmetic or exercise questions. Where this is computer virus, changing computer virus. This function, new, this one, new operator and dot operators in Java. I'm talking about this one.
No, sir. I haven't seen. The videos which I have seen, I have commented also.
So that video is very important. You must all see that new operator and dot. So this video is very important. See again, watch again, and then you can understand this one. So how you will make the object? I'm explaining one more time. You just write here the class name. Just please watch, please. And student, I request to everyone watch my every videos, because every videos are related to each other, and that will build your concept. So Pramod, I will write the class name Pramod. Then I will write Kumar. The same name. If anything is incorrect, then it will not work. Then after that, space. Then you will write any object name. Okay. So any object name means, suppose I'm writing here A B J OBJ. You can write anything, students. Do not worry. OBJ. Then you will write here new operator. Who is writing? Then you will write a new operator. Then again you will write class name Pramod Kumar. Then this bracket will be here. Then terminator. So this is the way of making the object in Java. Class name space object name equal. That means this sign. After a new operator, then space, then class name, then after that this bracket. This is the way of making the object. Then after that, what I will do, you know that this method and variables are the part of the object. So can I call this obj dot add? Can I call this by way? Can I call or not? Can I call? Because this add method is the part of this object. As I discussed, this a cow can have actions like eating, like walking. Okay. So can I call, because this is the member of this object? Is it clear? Is it clear? Students, is it clear? Can you respond? Shreya Dubey, can you respond, please? Shreya, if my
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes,
you,
sir.
can you call this, because this add method is the member of this object? So you can call.
Yes.
So how this will run? Let me explain one more time. You know that our class, the program is started from this the Java compiler runs our program from this main method. Main is the starting point of the Java. So it will come here, and it will see that here an object is made by you. Then you call this add method. Then it directly moves to the add method, and it shows, oh, there are two addition of two numbers, and the printing of that addition. So it will print the result, see, and comes back to here, then it will see there is no other job to do, so it will stop. Just see here how it is running. Class compiled, no syntax error. Let me run it. You got 25. So if I do one more thing, suppose if I am writing here system system.out.println hello Mr. Hello Mr. So what the printing what prints will be here? It will goes to first, it will create an object, call the add method, then it come the cursor, the Java compiler moves to here, and it will print the 25, then again back to here, and see there are one more work, and the work is to print hello Mr. So the answer will be first it will print 25, then it will print hello Mr. Is it clear?
Hello, Mr.
And you know, print ln means a new line. So in the first line it will from 25, then it moves to the new line, and in the new line it will print hello Mr. Just you can see the result. "25" and hello. This is old result, do not be confused. 25 and hello Mr. Okay. Okay, students. So I think today's concept is clear, and we will start. That means you must watch this videos if you have any confusion, and after that, if you face any confusion, then you can ask. I'm free, and you can call, and also you can send them WhatsApp message to ask the questions, for asking any questions if you face any problem. And the next one thing is, tomorrow's class I will start how many types of methods. That means user defined methods, how in how many ways you can create the user defined methods. And next thing I will explain what are the method signatures. So these two things are very important. So thank you students for watching this, and please watch the videos if you want to make your future. Okay, that's the last instruction. You can think about instruction, you can think about suggestion also. Thank you very much.